Monsoon hits Maharashtra and Mumbai is now experiencing heavy rainfall. Rainfall across the maximum city since yesterday is being reported. Waterlogging is being reported in many areas, forcing people to wade through knee-deep water as vehicular movement is disrupted. Central Railways stopped due to waterlogging at Kurla. Heavy rainfall also caused traffic snarls and jams at many places. The Met Department has termed these pre-monsoon showers. Met Department has also said that the sky would remain cloudy with moderate rain and thunder showers in city and suburbs region. A high tide is also predicted today, which would be 4.16 meters high. Mustafa is now joining us live for the very latest. Mustafa, does the BMC have answers on why the situation year after year is the same with the waterlogging that is reported in the city, and what is their explanation for not having work on the drainage system in the rest of the city outside of South Mumbai?
Well, of course, the BMC this year too had made huge claims, and they had said that this year they have cleaned what we call the sewage lines near Mumbai, which mostly lead to waterloggings. But on the first day of monsoon arrival, we have seen that those claims were not true, and there was waterlogging reported, due to which there was a traffic problem in Mumbai and leading to traffic divergence at many places, and Central Railway had to stop its services towards the Mumbai city. A big important point is that the BMC is claiming that these are unprecedented rains since the start of the season, and due to other reasons like COVID, they didn't get enough time to prepare for the monsoon season. But at the same time, what we cannot ignore is that there is a nature's hand in what we are witnessing in terms of weather, because the weather department has given 3 to 4 days heavy rainfall warning in Raigad, in Ratnagiri, in Mumbai, Palghar, Thane, and these areas. The government is preparing that if such rainfalls continue in the rural part of Maharashtra, people may have to be shifted, because these are very heavy rainfalls which are being reported just at the start of this season. Back to you.
Absolutely. And Mustafa, you know, it's not new for Mumbai to experience these rainfalls. This happens year after year, give or take 10-15 days. But the fact of the matter here is the authorities have been kept snoozing yet again. And year after year, for many years, the only thing one reports is the crumbling infrastructure in Mumbai. When it rains, though, there's waterlogging, traffic jams, knee-deep water. Nothing really has changed.
Well, that's true. People in the areas who live in Hindmata, in Dadar, in Kurla, they are the ones who complained every year that a lot of things have changed in these decades, but the problem of waterlogging in the low-lying areas has not changed. And what we are seeing is that situations are getting worse, and then now, even after small portion of rainfall, there is a waterlogging reported. As far as the other parts of the cities are concerned, they have also reported heavy rainfall, but there is no traffic jam as such from these areas, and we'll see that the traffic movement where we are at Worli is quite smooth. But yes, at the very start of the season, the claims whichever would have been made by the BMC seem to not clearly stand, and it looks like even this season, like many other seasons, Mumbaikars will be facing the same problems in this monsoon season. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa is getting us up to speed with the very latest details right there coming in from Mumbai. Just look at the state of the city right there. The first bout of showers, and this is the state of the city, and the monsoon has just begun. So this is something that has only just begun. The BMC kept, caught snoozing once again in the city of Mumbai. This is the Andheri area, Mumbai suburbs, that we're getting you at this point of time. And these are initial showers, and just look at the state of the city, or the financial capital of the country, rather. Our reporters are going to be bringing you stories of waterlogging from other parts of the maximum city. Take a look.
On first day of arrival of monsoon, Mumbai received heavy rainfall on Wednesday morning. We are in a low-lying area of Mumbai called Hindmata. Here too, we are getting to see visuals of waterlogging. Mumbai Mahanagar Palika had made a connecting flyover from Hindmata towards the Baikalla area, which is now avoiding traffic in the area. This was a south low-lying area, due to which the traffic in the central suburbs of Mumbai was disturbed. But due to this new connecting bridge, the traffic in this central region is smooth. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Reporting from Santa Cruz and Mumbai. Vidya, what is the situation right there in Santa Cruz? On our screens right now, we're bringing viewers the situation as it stands in San, Hindmata, Andheri, Andheri West. We've got Gandhi Market as well, Dadar, and the situation is no different elsewhere. Leaving a few pockets of South Mumbai, the entire city is always in water, always soaked in water. There is just no drainage system. There's waterlogging everywhere. Everyone says Mumbai is a city that never sleeps. It's Mumbai goes on. But the question is, Vidya, do Mumbaikars have a choice but to go on?
Well, it certainly is an issue, but remember, it's just the first day of the monsoon, and that's one of the reasons why, people who really want to enjoy the rains are actually stuck in such kind of traffic jams right here that you can see. There is severe traffic jam because of waterlogging in a lot of areas that the entire city is witnessing. And this really puts a break to the fast-paced life that Mumbaikars are really used to. The rest of the monsoon season, Mumbai, you hardly see that, most of the city is during rush hour. There is a lot of traffic, but it's almost noon. And you can see the entire city is still facing a lot of traffic jam because of such water inundation in low-lying areas that really, puts a break onto the fast-paced city that Mumbai is, as you know, Chaiti.
Well, absolutely. Leave it at that. Just look at that. The first bout of showers in the entire city is waterlogged already. One fears what happens once the monsoon season hits properly and it starts raining every day. You can well imagine the situation if this is the situation on day one of the showers.